How to fix a laptop shutting down between 40% and 60% battery. This tutorial shows you how to stop the sudden shutdowns and get accurate readings again. First, click the Start button. Type Command Prompt, right-click it and click Run as Administrator. After that, click Yes if prompted by User Account Control. From there, type powerconfig/battery report and press Enter. At this point, open the generated report to check your battery's actual health and capacity. In the next step, if the battery is significantly degraded, this could be the root cause and may need a replacement. Following this, if the battery seems fine, right-click the Start button again. Click Device Manager. Once done, expand Batteries, then right-click Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method Battery. Click Uninstall Device, then click Uninstall again to confirm. From here, unplug your charger and restart your laptop to let Windows reinstall the battery driver. At this stage, once restarted, open Settings, click System, then Power and Battery. Click Power Mode and make sure it's not set to a mode that aggressively limits performance at certain battery levels. Keep in mind, this issue is often caused by a worn-out battery sensor giving inaccurate readings, so a full uninstall and reinstall of the driver usually fixes it without needing new hardware. Finally, monitor your battery percentage over the next few charge cycles to confirm the shutdowns have stopped. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix your laptop shutting down at 40 to 60% battery, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.